Okay, hello again guys. Let's continue modeling the sniper. Now we need to make the hand for the sniper here. Let's add a cube. Let's move it like this. Let's go to edit modes, face selection. Select this face and move it down. Maybe let's move it like this. Let's select everything and scale it. Let's go to edge selection, select this edge and move it like this. Okay, now let's go back to object mode and apply rotation and scale. Now let's go back to edit mode. Now we need to start editing. Go to face selection, select this face and this one, and let's make a bubble here. And let's increase the segment like this. Let's make auto smooth, shade auto smooth. Now let's go back to edit mode and let's start adding a loop cut by pressing Ctrl R. Let's add one here and another one here. Okay, now let's select this edge, Ctrl and left click here to select only this area, and let's move it like this. Let's add another loop cut, Ctrl R. Maybe we need it here, and again select this edge, Ctrl this edge, just move it like this. Okay, now let's make a bevel here and increase the segment number, maybe 6. And now let's select this area here, Ctrl until this edge, and let's make a bevel here too. Increase the segment 3, I think. Also, let's make this one smoother. Maybe add 2. Or just keep it like this. Let's make again shade auto smooth. Let's select this edge here until this one, and let's move it like this, and let's do the same here. Okay, that's nice. Okay, now let's add the magazine part here. Let's add a cube. Move it like this. Go to edit mode, face selection, and just start move it like this. Maybe like this. Okay, now let's go to object and apply rotation and scale. Let's go to side view Let's set origin geometry to be in the middle. Okay, now let's use the add-on curver. Shift Ctrl X. First we need to select this area and press shift to rebool like this. Now we need to just go to line by pressing space, and just let's start edit from here. Like this, and press shift and space to make a new object. Let's select this object, set origin geometry. Now let's scale it up like this. Okay, now let's apply a rotation and scale, and let's go to edit mode, face selection, select this one and this face, sorry, this one and this one, and make a bubble here. Maybe like this. Shade auto smooth. Let's select at this one, go to edit mode, edge selection, and let's make a bubble in here. Maybe like this. Let's go back to side view. Let's go back to curver add-on, shift Ctrl X. Now we need to select this area like this by pressing shift and left click. Again, object, set origin geometry. Let's scale it down. Like this. Let's select this object, again side view, but now we need to make maybe a cut here, or maybe like this. Okay, shade auto smooth again. Let's go to object mode, edit mode, edge selection, make a bubble here like this. Okay, now let's select this object, set origin geometry, and let's scale it up a little bit, and we need to scale it from this side too. Let's go to this object and go to edit mode. Let's go to face selection, and let's make instant face. Or you can just press I for shortcut, just like this, and extrude it down, or inside, sorry. Shade auto smooth, scale it down a little bit. Like this. Okay, now let's select the object here. Let's go to side view. Let's go to this add-on. Let's go to line. Let's make a cut here. And let's make a cut here too. Sorry, not like this. Maybe we can change it to rectangle. Like this. Okay, now let's scale it. We scale this down. Just put it in the center. Let's select this object, go to edit mode, and let's make a bevel here. And also make a bevel for this object here too. Sorry. Maybe like this, shade auto smooth. I think let's scale it down a little bit. Maybe let's move it a little bit like this. Okay, now let's select this object, but before, let's go to object mode, apply rotation and scale. Let's go back to edit mode, select this one, and let's make a bevel here. Maybe a little bit like this. Shade out smooth again. And let's do the same for this object too. And let's do the same for this object too. Sorry, let's undo and let's remove, deselect the edges inside. Let's go to edge selection. And let's just press shift and select this edge and this one. Just keep like a border edge. This one, like this. For example, just keep it open inside. Okay, now let's make a bubble. Okay, that's nice. Okay, this is the best shape for the sniper. Now we need to add, adding details and maybe cleaning up the sniper. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.